Hi, Cal. No, don't leave your kitty. He's sleeping, needs to be kissed. He needs to be cleaned. Go back. Fine. Oh, just sleeping like a little baby. Dreaming cute things, running in the air. Where are you running to? K2. K2 emerges. You gonna sleep on top of him? Probably. She likes to sleep on top of the kitties. Hi, K2. You want out? I know. Mommy. Watching the K2. Mommy, guardian mommy. Hi, K2. What's the matter? Oh. Yeah. Too hard of a life. Just chilling. Go sleep on him. Don't mess with him. He's leaving.